Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to pay with PayPal on SHEIN. So here's a simple workaround for you to be able to pay with PayPal on SHEIN. So the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to open the SHEIN app or go to the SHEIN website page, then add items you want to your shopping bag. So go to the checkout page, then enter the shipping address and confirm the delivery details, which is very important. Then on the payment method page, select PayPal and you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Then log in with your PayPal account details, then choose your preferred funding source, which is the balance, bank or card linked to PayPal. So make sure you confirm the payment and you'll be redirected back to SHEIN with your order confirmation code, and PayPal will also send you a payment receipt in their app or by email. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.